we will prove the following statement. First, we will give some definition. A factor of a graph G is a spanning subgraph. So we will illustrate this definition by an example. This is a given graph G and the vertices are v1, v2, v3, v4. Then this is a factor of the given graph. Second definition, a k-factor of a graph is a spanning k-regular subgraph. So what is spanning k-regular subgraph? That means a spanning subgraph whose degree of each vertex is k. Now let's check this example. Let G be this graph which has 5 vertices and H is a spanning 2 regular subgraph of G. So H is a 2 factor of G. Third definition, a k-factorization partitions the edges of the graph into disjoint k-factors. Look at this example. Let G equals to k5 and H1 is a 2 factor and H2 is a 2 factor. Note that H1 and H2 partitions the edges of G into disjoint 2 factors. So this is a 2 factorization of the graph G. Fourth definition, a graph G is said to be k-factorable if it admits a k-factorization. Look at this example. Here G is k6. Now degree of each vertex is 5. Since the degree of each vertex is not even, so the graph G is not 2 factorable. Note that it is 1 factorable. Now we prove the statement Petersen graph is not 1 factorable. Assume to the contrary that the Petersen graph G is 1 factorable. Then by the definition G admits a 1 factorization. Since degree of each vertex is 3, G can be factored into 3 1 factors f1, f2, f3. Let H equals to f1 union f2. Then H is a 2 regular spanning subgraph of G. We know that a 2 regular graph is either a cycle or union of 2 or more cycles. Then H is either a cycle or union of 2 or more cycles. Since G is not a Hamiltonian graph, then H cannot be a cycle. So H is the union of 2 or more cycles. We know that the length of the smallest cycle in the Petersen graph is 5. Then H must be C5 union C5. Otherwise, if the length of the one cycle in H is greater than or equal to 6, then the length of the other cycle is less than or equal to 4, which is not possible as the length of the smallest cycle in G is 5. Since H equals to f1 union f2, degree of each vertex in H is 2. So H is the union of 2 disjoint C5. That is H equals to C5 union C5, where each of these C5 are disjoint cycles. Now this is impossible as C5 union C5 does not contain a one factor. You can look here, this is C5, this is C5, and we are taking H equals to C5 union C5. So you can, and these two C5s are disjoint, so you cannot find a one factor of H. That is, you cannot find a spanning one regular subgraph of H. This is a contradiction because we already take H equals to F1 union F2, where F1 F2 are one factors of G. So our assumption was wrong. Thus G is not one factorable. Thank you.